you have this Happy Tales foundational protocol. I know this is something that we wanted to discuss. So tell us what that is and how people
Okay,
can tap into it. Yeah.
sure. So the foundational protocol touches on a lot of what we've been going over here. The foundational protocol, and you can do it in phases. There's actually 3 phases to it, but we also offer it as a bundle itself. So that goes through what's called the first phase is detox and purify. We're detoxing what shouldn't be in the body and we're
Mhm.
purifying it. Okay. That's generally a month long. The second one is reset and restore. So what we're going to do in that one, this is just one piece of that. Like when we detox the body, one of the things we're going to do after that to restore it is reset the gut. So we do a gut microbiome reset and we put those, um, what's supposed to be back in the flora and the fauna, the microbiome, we reset that homeopathically. And so that's one of the blends in the restore and reset. So it's exactly that. We detox and purify, and then we restore and reset for a month. And then the third month is thrive and maintain. The third month puts them on the maintenance protocol. And ideally, they'll just stay on a maintenance protocol unto eternity.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the same thing as we buy supplements for ourselves, right? Okay, a lot of people
Yes.
take supplements. Wouldn't dream of not taking them. We're like, oh no, I need my supplements. I want to stay healthy.
Yeah.
These protocols do the same thing, if not from a higher level at the level of cause, because it's working with frequency and consciousness, which goes much higher than just the physical body, treating a symptom of the physical body. We keep the body maintained
I
through
love it.
energy medicine. So
Yeah.
that's what a foundational protocol is. That's what I'm calling a foundational protocol. It's 3 phases: detox and purify, restore and reset, and then maintain and thrive. And then from there on out, they would just do their maintain and thrive protocol, which they can get through the Happy Tales store. But we do sell it in a kind of in an introductory phase so that the animal actually goes through those 3 phases and then they
Okay. And this would be like after a consultation with you too, right? To like really.
Okay, so there's 2
Yeah.
ways. Now,
Oh,
if the
okay.
animal isn't
Thanks.
having a lot of symptoms,
Hmm.
okay, but you wanna keep them healthy, and maybe they're starting to slow down a little bit, maybe they're losing a little spark in their eye, or maybe they don't have the energy that they used to, or maybe they're not acting like a puppy, like they should be throughout their life. You can do a consultation if you really want more awareness, more advice, and even a slightly tweaked or customized protocol, depending on what's going on with your animal. If you don't see any issues right now, you can just go purchase the foundational protocol and it will come with backup instructions. So
Excellent.
they can go to the store. I mean, the store is there's a lot to kind of go through, but we have it segmented to where you can go into the dog section, the cat section, the horse section. And then at the top is always going to be the foundational protocol because that eliminates a lot of guesswork and it takes them straight through, covers a lot of ground in general for a cat, a dog, or a horse. If they have chronic issues, ideally, you're probably going to want to do a protocol. I mean, a consultation
Okay.
because we will customize it more just for that animal.
Yes, I know. And I know from my own experience, it was wonderful. Okay. That's great. And it's happytails.tips is your website.
Tips. Yes.
I love that. I know. I love that. I want to say too, Deb, you have fabulous blogs too. So I'm going to put all this information in the show description, but I love your blogs. I was reading through several of them today and they're just so
Wonderful.
informative. Yeah. They're
Well, that's what we want to do is we want to educate and we want to create awareness, period. Because just like you've experienced today, Daria, I didn't know that. I didn't know. I didn't know I could get a titer. I didn't know don't have to do certain things. And again, it depends on your county
right.
laws, but there's a lot more that can be done than we know about, and that's why we want to bring the awareness. So the
Absolutely.
blogs are there to educate, and they're gonna keep coming. So we want to keep educating.